Do you want to restore deleted Google account? So first of all, open Google browser, long press it and tap on App Info. Here select Permissions. And here tap on Locations, tap on Don't Allow and press Don't Allow anyway. Minimize it. Now open Chrome browser, long press it and tap on App Info. Here select Permissions. And here tap on Locations, tap on Don't Allow and press Don't Allow anyway. Minimize it. Now open Play Store and search Ola browser. After download and install, open it. Open google.com. And on top right corner click on Sign In. Here type the Google account that you want to recover. And press Next. Here you can see Couldn't Sign In option, so minimize it also. And delete all the tabs. Now open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Google. Here on top right corner click on three dots. Here you can see Help option. Open it and here you can find Search option. So type Recover deleted Google account here. So here tap on Follow the steps to recover your account. Here account recovery page appears. Now type deleted Google account that you want to recover, and tap Next. Enter your last password and tap Next. Here Success option appears. So congratulations, your deleted account is recovered successfully. You can change your password also.